The recent tragedy in Madhya Pradesh, where several children had died after ingesting cold reef cough syrup, is very, very deeply alarming. I was very shattered by hearing this news. So, what happened exactly? Tests had shown that these cough syrup had contaminated with a industrial chemical called diethylene glycol. So, this chemical can cause kidney failure. So within days of ingestion, these children had developed kidney failure and died. So why it is happened is because of there may be serious lapses in the manufacturing area or the distribution and testing areas. But unfortunately, the doctor was held responsible and he was suspended, which doesn't know how the cough syrup will be manufactured, and he is nothing to do with the quality control of that cough syrup. Advice to our patients, our audience, our parents is, so please check the batch number, expiry date of the cough syrups before you use, and please avoid the over the counter cough syrups from not trusted companies. Please only encourage the trusted company cough syrups only. And if you have persistent cough, don't use cough syrup regularly. Please consult a specialty doctor to know the cause of the cough. So friends, stronger regulations and public awareness can prevent these type of losses. Stay informed and stay safe. Namaste.